Good evening, folks. I do have this part 3. I had this HDD hard drive from the part out from the computer, the old computer. It's a 2 GB hard drive, and this one is the 500 gigabyte. Actually, it's 2000 gigabyte and 500 gigabyte, which is 2 tera. And this one is the 60 gigabyte SSD. So actually, I'm going to micro scratching on this hard drive, the 500 gigabyte first. It looks like, I mean, these hard drives are nothing wrong with it, but when I get it from the neighbors, I promise them I'm gonna part out and then take apart. I'm gonna do micro scrapping all the part, so I'm not gonna resell it or reuse it because they're worried about their data. So I'm gonna take the part out. All right, so first I'm gonna take off all the mold. Now I'm wrapping the tape, this piece of tape, so it won't come up from the driver. Kept on slip out, so okay. All right. In this hard drive, there's some precious metal and some gold. Then I can find it later. First, this little support here, just ice chips. This contains gold. And then the connect pins here is gold plated. So take this part up. I'll put my board container, board container that I'm keeping it. Tight. Oh, shoot. the wrong side, so keep on. Came off. Okay, I got the right size. Star wrench. Star screwdriver. There might be another bolt. Right here. Like a stainless, so I'm gonna keep it. Let's see. This pressure metal with the magnetic. I don't know. That's keeping. I don't know what these are for, but they're keeping it. When I'm looking at other videos, so I'm gonna keep it. There's a more bolt. Basically, when you take the part off from the hard drive, first, if you see any bolt, unscrew all the bolt first, as much as you can. Doesn't come up, then maybe there's a the clips, or they clipped, or either like they're like bonded, so you need to force the you have to force to take them off. Okay, first I see gold ribbon here. It might be a wire, the copper. All these metals are precious metal. I don't know what they're made of, but when I'm looking at people's video, they're keeping it, so I'm gonna keep it. So let me take this off. Oh, it's hot. But these are gold ribbons. Keep in my shit. I'll put away when I get everything. Okay. I'm just gonna keep this. There's another ribbons on the back. Looks like a gold pin on here, so take this part off too. Plastics. gold pin here, so take it off. Nice and clean. Ah, yeah. Laptop. I got it. Alright. That's it. Got it. And so I'll keep it also. Might be valuable. So that's it. I'm done with the one hard drive. What's the purpose for this video? Just for fun. I love to do micro scrapping. Just I don't know which one's variable, and I don't know how to take finding the gold from here. Just take the part out from each each part, just totally like apart, and then just try to keep them whatever I know, like the gold ribbon separate and the RAM separate and all the whatever I get. Just try to keep it first, and I'm gonna keep on saving for next 3 years. And when I get enough, like I don't know what's the meaning of enough, but for me, like maybe I don't know, a lot maybe, because I'm pretty much having fun doing this, so not really thinking about how much value on this one, and how much it costs, and how to take the gold out, and which one is which. I really don't know yet, but I'm gonna keep on learning. Okay, so whoever is thinking to start it, start it. Just whatever you see around you, start taking off. Spend your time, and do not think about the money in the beginning. Do not think of what you're gonna get later. Just doing it, and then you're gonna stack them up a lot later, and you'll be wonder what you got. All right, thank you for watching.